Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew beef in a crock pot. Start with your beef chuck, cut into 1-inch pieces. Season it well with salt, pepper, and a touch of paprika for flavor. Then, prepare your vegetables by chopping 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion. These will form the aromatic base of your delicious stew. Now, transfer your seasoned beef and chopped vegetables into a 6-quart crock pot. Pour in 2 cups of rich beef broth and 1 can of diced tomatoes. Don't forget to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and 2 bay leaves for depth of flavor. This combination creates a wonderful foundation. Set your crock pot to cook on low for 6 to 8 hours, or on high for 3 to 4 hours. The goal is for the beef to become wonderfully fork tender. About 30 minutes before serving, stir in a slurry made from 1/4 cup of cornstarch and water to thicken the stew to your desired consistency. Before serving, remember to remove the bay leaves. Ladle your hearty stew into bowls and garnish with some fresh parsley for a pop of color. This comforting dish pairs perfectly with creamy mashed potatoes or a warm, crusty bread for dipping. Enjoy your homemade, delicious stew.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.